Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales with Amazon step by step clearly. Begin by researching your target market. Identify your ideal customer demographics and preferences. Analyze competitor strategies to find gaps in the market. Optimize your product listing to enhance visibility. Use high-quality images that showcase your product. Craft a compelling product title with relevant keywords. Write a clear and concise product description highlighting benefits. Utilize bullet points for easy readability and key features. Implement competitive pricing strategies to attract buyers. Consider using Amazon's automated pricing tool for adjustments. Choose the right fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) options for efficiency. Ensure fast and reliable shipping to enhance customer satisfaction. Focus on building positive customer reviews and ratings. Encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback. Respond professionally to any negative reviews to show commitment. Leverage Amazon sponsored ads to increase product visibility. Target relevant keywords that potential customers are searching for. Adjust your ad budget as needed to maximize reach. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly. Make data-driven decisions based on your sales analytics. Test different pricing or promotional strategies to find what works best. Utilize seasonal trends to boost sales during key shopping times. Consider cross-promotions or bundling products to increase average order value. Engage in social media marketing to drive traffic to your Amazon listings. Collaborate with influencers to reach broader audiences. Keep up to date with Amazon's policies and best practices to avoid issues. Continuously refine your strategies based on customer feedback and sales data. Stay adaptable, as e-commerce trends can change rapidly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.